Hello, everyone. Planning a trip or looking for the best tips and insights? We've got you covered. Here, we break it all down to help you make the most of your adventures. So sit back, relax, and let us do the legwork. Your next great experience starts right here. Yellowstone National Park, spanning Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, is a stunning showcase of nature's power and beauty. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, knowing the park's basics is key to experiencing its magic. How do I get there? Its remote location adds to its allure, but getting there is easier than you might think. Nearest airports. If you're flying in, you have several options. Bozeman Yellowstone International Airport, BZN, located 90 miles, about 1 hour 45 minutes, north of the park's north entrance in Gardiner, Montana. This is one of the most popular gateways, is the only airport serving as a year-round gateway for 2 Yellowstone National Park entrances. Airlines that service the airport include Alaska, Allegiant, American Airlines, Delta, JetBlue, Southwest, Sun Country, and United. Jackson Hole Airport, JAC, just 60 miles south of the park's south entrance, about 1 hour 30 minutes. This airport offers stunning views of the Teton Range as you land. The Jackson Hole Airport is inside Grand Teton National Park, Yellowstone's neighbor park to the south. It's about an hour drive to Yellowstone's south entrance. The Jackson Hole Airport is serviced by American Airlines, Delta Airlines, Frontier Airlines, SkyWest Airlines, and United Airlines seasonally. Yellowstone Regional Airport, COD, situated 50 miles east of the park in Cody, Wyoming, under an hour from the park entrance. This is a convenient option for those entering through the east entrance. The airport is served year-round by United Express, offering service to Denver, Colorado. Idaho Falls Regional Airport, IDA, about 110 miles west of the park, 2.5 hours from the west entrance. But this airport also gives you good access to Grand Teton National Park. This airport is a good choice for visitors heading to the west entrance. The Idaho Falls Regional Airport is serviced by Allegiant, Delta, United Airlines, Alaska Airlines, and American Airlines. Yellowstone Airport, BYS. An option very close to the west entrance is the Yellowstone Airport near West Yellowstone, Montana. It's a smaller airport, but is only 10 minutes from the park entrance. The airport operates on a seasonal basis. The airport is services by the following carriers. Delta Airlines, operated by SkyWest, round-trip jet service from Salt Lake City to West Yellowstone, will run daily from May 5th through October 15. United Express, operated by SkyWest, round-trip jet service from Denver to West Yellowstone, will run daily from June 3rd through September 29. And of course, most of the other services available at the airport, like car rentals and food service, operate on the same seasonal schedule as the airport. Rental cars are available from Avis, Budget, and Big Sky Car Rentals. Check with your lodging facility to see if they offer airport shuttle service. Driving to Yellowstone. Yellowstone is accessible via several scenic highways, each leading to one of the park's 5 entrances. North entrance, Gardiner, Montana. From I-90, take exit 333 for US 89 South to City Center in Yellowstone. Turn left onto US 89 South towards Gardiner, Yellowstone National Park. Continue to follow US 89 South for 53 miles. This entrance is open year-round and is the closest to Mammoth Hot Springs. Northeast entrance, Cooke City, Montana, reachable via the breathtaking Beartooth Highway, US 212. The section of US 212 between Cooke City and Red Lodge is known as the Beartooth Highway. This entrance is open year-round, but the highway is seasonal. The Beartooth Highway is open from Memorial Day, May 26th, to October 15th, weather dependent. The State of Montana Department of Transportation closes the Beartooth Highway every winter. East entrance. To enter the east entrance, you must go through Cody, Wyoming first. Getting to Cody and the east entrance basically means driving through the entire state of Wyoming. It's in a really remote part of the state. There are no interstates that run even close to Cody, so getting there requires a variety of different state routes connecting dispersed, remote towns. From Cody, take US 1620 west into Yellowstone's east entrance. The driving time is about 1 hour 15 minutes, 53 miles. This entrance is open from May to October and offers stunning views of Yellowstone Lake. South entrance, Grand Teton National Park. Connected to Grand Teton National Park via US 89-191, this entrance is open from May to October. Jackson, Wyoming is the closest major city to the south entrance to Yellowstone. Jackson is a little over an hour away from the south entrance. So basically, you have to get to Grand Teton first, then head north to Yellowstone's south entrance. From Jackson, take US 191, US 89 north, continued north for 23 miles. On Moran Junction, turn left onto US 191, US 89 north. West entrance, West Yellowstone, Montana. One of the reasons West Yellowstone is the most used entrance to the park is due to its accessibility. If you're coming from Seattle, take the I-90 east, then continue east for 653 miles, then take exit 298 towards Belgrade, West Yellowstone, then turn left onto Amsterdam Road. Continue for a mile, then turn right onto MT-85 North Jackrabbit Lane. Continue onto US 191 South Gallatin Road for 82 miles, then turn left onto Yellowstone Avenue. If you're coming from Portland, head west on I-84 West for 590 miles, then use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly left onto exit 222 for I-86 East US 30 East, sign for Pocatello. Continue for 62 miles, then take exit 63B on the left to merge onto I-15 North toward Idaho Falls. Continue for 47 miles, then use the right 2 lanes to take exit 119 for US 20 East toward Rexburg, West Yellowstone. Then use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto US 20 East. Keep left to stay on US 20 East and continue for 105 miles. Then turn right onto Canyon Street, then turn left onto Yellowstone Avenue. If you're coming from Salt Lake, follow 115 North, head north for 65 miles, then use the right 2 lanes to stay on I-15 North toward Pocatello. Continue for 139 miles, then use the right 2 lanes to take exit 119 for US 20 East toward Rexburg, West Yellowstone. Then use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto US 20 East. Keep left to stay on US 20 East and continue for 105 miles. Then turn right onto Canyon Street, then turn left onto Yellowstone Avenue. This entrance is open from late April to November and is a hub for visitor services. Public transportation. While most visitors drive to Yellowstone, public transportation options are limited. During the summer months, shuttle services operate in some areas, such as Old Faithful and Canyon Village, making it easier to explore without a car. Around 50 miles, 80 kilometers of road separates popular destinations like Old Faithful and the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. A vehicle is generally required to visit the park. Public transportation is not available in Yellowstone, but many companies provide shuttle services and tours. As you can see in the map, there are several miles between attractions in the park. And also from the main entrances to the other popular destination are several miles in between. So be prepared to drive a lot. Operating hours. Yellowstone is open 24/7 year-round. However, most facilities, visitor centers, lodges, and campgrounds operate from late April to early November. Winter access is limited and primarily via snowmobile, snow coach, or skis. Entrance fees and passes. For entrance fees and passes, check the National Park Service webpage. The link will be in the description. Fee-free days. Each year, the National Park Service offers several fee-free days where entrance fees to all national parks, including Yellowstone, are waived. Typical fee-free days include Martin Luther King Jr. Day, January, National Park Week Opening Day, April, Great American Outdoors Day, August, National Public Lands Day, September, Veterans Day, November. On these days, you can enter the park without paying an entrance fee, though other fees, such as for camping or tours, still apply. Now, if you're thinking about visiting Yellowstone and you want to skip the stress of planning every stop, driving long hours, and trying to figure out what's worth seeing, I've got you covered. Here are 3 amazing guided tour options that make exploring Yellowstone totally effortless. And the best part is, they take you straight to the park's biggest highlights with expert guides who know all the secret spots and stories behind them. You can choose between a 1-day, 9-hour tour starting from West Yellowstone, perfect if you want to see as much as possible in just one full day without overdoing it. A 1-day, 10 to 12-hour tour starting from Jackson. This one gives you a little more time on the road and covers even more iconic viewpoints. Or, if you really want to soak it all in without rushing, there's a 2-day Yellowstone tour from Jackson, where you'll explore both the upper and lower loops with time to actually enjoy each stop. If you want to truly experience Yellowstone in a single day, the guided tour from West Yellowstone or from Jackson is the way to do it. The adventure begins with a hotel pickup in the morning, followed by a light breakfast as you make your way into the park. From there, you'll travel the iconic lower loop with a small group, which means more time at each stop and a chance to ask your guide about the park's hidden stories. You'll stop at Old Faithful, stroll the steaming boardwalks at Fountain Paint Pots, and gaze into the glowing colors of the Grand Prismatic Spring. You'll stand at Artist Point, overlooking the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, where the roar of the lower falls crashing into the canyon makes you feel the raw power of nature. Wildlife lovers will especially enjoy Hayden Valley, one of the best places to spot bison, elk, and maybe even bears. And in the middle of it all, you'll pause for picnic lunch surrounded by mountains and sky, a simple meal that becomes unforgettable because of where you're eating it. The peaceful views of Yellowstone Lake, a place so serene you'll carry it in your memory long after you've left. A 2-day tour of Yellowstone. If you've ever dreamed of experiencing all of Yellowstone without feeling rushed, the 2-day guided tour is the perfect choice. Starting from Jackson, Wyoming, you'll travel through both the upper and lower loops of the park, covering all of Yellowstone's most iconic sites, as well as hidden gems most visitors miss in a single day. Over 2 days, you'll witness the eruption of Old Faithful, walk among the steaming terraces of Mammoth Hot Springs, take in the surreal colors of the Grand Prismatic Spring, and stand in awe at the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone's powerful waterfalls. You'll also explore Lamar and Hayden Valleys, two of the best wildlife viewing areas in the park, where bison, elk, and even wolves can often be spotted. Along the way, you'll enjoy scenic stops like Firehole Lake, Norris Geyser Basin, Tower Falls, Yellowstone Lake, and much more. The experience doesn't end when the sun goes down. You'll spend the night either at the historic Chico Hot Springs Resort, where you can soak in the natural hot springs, or in the charming town of Gardiner, Montana. Why choose a 2-day tour instead of just one? Yellowstone is massive, over 2 million acres of natural wonders. A single day gives you a taste, but 2 days let you slow down, explore both loops, take short hikes, and truly immerse yourself in the park's wildlife and landscapes without feeling rushed. Instead of just checking boxes, you'll create lasting memories and have time to appreciate the park at its best. No matter which one you pick, all tours include expert guides, transportation, and insider knowledge that turn an ordinary visit into a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If this sounds like the adventure you've been waiting for, check out the link in the description and see what's included in each tour guide. Booking through our link not only secures your spot on this unforgettable journey, but it also helps support this channel so I can keep sharing more travel content with you. Wherever you choose to explore next, whether it's Yellowstone or another corner of this beautiful planet, I hope this video inspired you to go see it for yourself. If you enjoyed this journey and want more road trip ideas and travel guides like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe. It's free and it makes a huge difference. Your support helps me keep creating videos like this. This channel is just getting started, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Until then, stay curious, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.